Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and home improvement aficionados. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, your go to destination for all things home related. Today, we have got an exciting episode lined up for you as we delve into the world of home renovation tips and tricks. Whether you are a seasoned pro or a newbie looking to spruce up your space, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you to achieve a stunning makeover. So grab your notepads and let's dive in. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Alright, let's get started. Before we dive in into the actual renovation work, it's crucial to have a solid plan in place. Here are some essential tips to consider when planning your home renovation. First thing first, determine the purpose of your renovation. Are you looking to increase the resale value of your home, improve functionality, or simply give it a fresh look? Budgeting is the key. Allocate funds for materials, labor, and unexpected expenses. It's always good idea to set aside a contingency fund for those unforeseen surprises. Establish a realistic timeline for your project. Be prepared for delays and don't rush the process. A well thought out plan ensures a smoother renovation journey. Selecting the right material can make or break your renovation. Let's explore some tips for making the best choices. Invest in quality materials, especially for areas that receive heavy use like kitchens and bathrooms. It will pay off in the long run with durability and aesthetics. Consider eco friendly and sustainable materials. They don't only benefit the environment but also add a unique touch to your home. Don't be afraid to mix materials. Combining textures like wood, stone, and metal can create visually appealing contrast. One of the biggest decisions you will make during a renovation is whether to DIY or hire professionals. Let's weigh the pros and cons. DIY projects can save your money and provide a sense of accomplishment. However, they require time, effort, and expertise. Know your limits and tackle tasks you are confident in. Professionals bring experience and expertise to the table. They can ensure the quality of the work and often complete the project faster, but remember it comes at higher cost. Consider a hybrid approach. DIY smaller tasks and hire professionals for complex ones. This can strike a balance between savings and quality. Now let's talk about optimizing the use of space in your home. These tips will help you to make the most of every square foot. Consider an open concept layout to create a sense of spaciousness. Removing non load bearing walls can open up the space dramatically. Incorporate built in storage solutions to reduce clutter. Custom cabinets and shelving can be tailored to your needs and save valuable floor spaces. Invest in multifunctional furniture pieces, sofas that doubles as bed or dining tables with storage can maximize utility in smaller spaces. Lighting and color choices can transform the ambience of your home. Let's explore some tips to create the right mood. Maximize natural light by using large windows and strategically placing mirrors. It not only brightens up the space but also make it more inviting. Understand the psychology of colors. Cool tones like blue and green can create a calming atmosphere, while warm tones like red and orange add vibrancy. Utilize layered lighting with ambient tasks and accent lighting to create depth and highlight focal points. Last but not the least, but don't overlook safety and permits during the renovation journey. Ensure a safe work environment by wearing appropriate safety gear, keeping tools organized, and following safety guidelines. Check local building codes and obtain necessary permits before starting your renovation. Failure to do so can result in costly fines and delays. Schedule inspections at key points in your project to ensure it complies with regulation and is safe for occupancy. In today's eco conscious world, integrating energy efficient and sustainable elements into your home renovation is not only responsible but also cost effective. Replace traditional incandescent bulbs and with energy efficient LED lighting. They use less electricity and last longer, reducing your energy bills. Upgrade to energy efficient appliances such as Energy Star rated refrigerators and dishwashers. They consume less energy and water, saving your money within the long run. Improve insulation and install energy efficient windows to regulate indoor temperatures. This keeps your home comfortable year round and reduces heating and cooling costs. Opt for sustainable materials like bamboo, flooring, reclaimed wood, or recycled glass countertops. These choices not only look great but also have a lower environmental impact. Sometimes it's the small details that makes the most significant difference in the renovation. Let's explore some often overlooked elements. Upgrade cabinets, handles and faucets and lighting fixtures. These minor changes can give your space a fresh and stylish look without a major overhaul. Consider adding decorative molding or trim to walls and ceilings. It adds a touch of elegance and can make a room feel more luxurious. Don't forget about caulk and caulk in tiled areas. Freshening up the grout and caulk can make old tiles look new and prevent water damage. No renovation is without surprises. Here is how to handle unexpected challenges that may arise during your project. As mentioned earlier, having a contingency fund is crucial. It's your safety net for unexpected expenses and complications. Stay flexible and adapt changes as needed. Sometimes a design tweak or alteration can lead to a better outcome than your original plan. When faced with structural and technical issues, consult with professionals like architects or engineers. Their expertise can help you find the right solutions. As renovation projects nears completion, it's time to add those final touches that make your home uniquely yours. Incorporate personal touches through decor items like artwork, photographs, and custom made furniture. This adds characters and warmth to your space. Bring the outdoors in with houseplants. Greenery not only enhances the air quality but also adds a refreshing natural element. And that wraps up to our comprehensive guide to home renovation tips and tricks. Remember, a successful renovation is a journey that involves careful planning, creativity, and dash of patience. We hope you have found these tips helpful and that they inspire you for your next renovation project. If you have any questions or want to share your own renovation experience, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining us today.